All right, my lovely traders. I don't know where to start, but just sit back and just watch this. So, what did you guys see? Did you guys see more reds or blues? Okay, it was actually more blues. So, guess what? So, on week 5, I got my money back of all of my losses. So, if you guys haven't watched my videos right here from week second, third, and the fourth, I highly recommend to follow my weeks, and then you guys will see what kind of achievement I did on week 5. Let me break it down very quickly for you because I'm very excited to share with you. So let me show you the history of my MT5. So as some of you guys know about already, that I started with 50 USD dollar and I blew up my account multiple times. It started actually pretty well on my second blow up account. So everything what you guys see is blue, 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 blue. All right. So there's another page of all the ways blue. We got the hundreds, we got $30, $20, 23, another 100, almost 100, and so on. Let's break down all of the charts. So right here, this is gold because mainly I do trade gold for right now and Bitcoin, BTCUSD. So I'm right here on the 4 hour time frame. And as you guys can see, all of the marked and the support level that I have traded a lot, as you guys could see in the history. So usually I'm a swing trader, but I would like to try something new. So I'm more like a scalper and a day trader. But towards the end, I want to go back for a swing trader again. All right, so I'm here on the 15 minutes time frame. And I would like to show you on the smaller time frame so you guys can see clearly what I have done. So there are many, many trades that I did. And this was basically my first trade. Once I saw there is a traffic, right? I was like, it's coming down, right? So I put a position and it went into my direction. And I also took a trade right around here because it was around the London session and it was on Tuesday and there was a high volume for gold. So I put one position right here, one position over there. I was all in blue. So then I waited when I came back up and I saw like a beautiful head and shoulder and a double top right over here. And I took a trade right here. And I believe right over here, I closed my position manually. And then after it came back up, I took another trade. Then I waited whenever it comes back to the resistance level. Whenever I see that the 50 minutes candle, 30 minutes candle has been rejecting the resistance level multiple times with the liquidity graph right here, as you guys can see, I took a short, okay? And then right after I took a buy. Okay, usually I don't do that, like taking a short, it comes to the support level, and then I will take a buy. So this is pretty new to me. I might do it again once I know this strategy. And yeah, so it was pretty good. So then I had a trade right over here, trade here, here, here. So I got stop out right there. I got stop out right here. And I was so patient. So it's a 50 minutes chart. So you could see like how long I waited. It went up, it went down, it went up, and finally I got into a take profit. So if we look at on the 1 hour time frame, so you guys can see. So it was like basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It was almost a day, okay, that I waited, but then it came into my profit. So that's my profit that I made. And guess what? Let me show you the history one more time. Let me show you the history one more time. So right over here, right, I got my losses. I was like, okay, not too bad. The reason why is my balance was like literally $1,694. Okay. So I started with literally 50 USD dollar, and you guys saw the history, 50 USD dollar, and I reached 1,694. Okay. So it's a high risk, high reward because I traded very aggressively. And that's why I failed also multiple times. And I did deposit for total of 5 weeks, $1,409. So I got into profits. You see, profit right over here is 271. But no matter I have profits or I lost or burn out my account, I need to be strategic. I can't use my emotional too much. But Friday, I was like, I'm not gonna trade. And what happened? Yes, I have to trade. But then I was like, there might be another opportunity because it looks like that's going to go short. And I can show you this one right here. If we're looking at the 1 hour time frame, right? I started shorting on Friday around this area. Okay, I started here. I was like, yeah, I'm in profit, 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 right? And it was the New York session. And I was like, New York session, high volume, it may shoot all the way down around here or even breaking the support level. But then all of a sudden, it went back up, came back down, and went back up again. So I can show it to you literally on the 50 minutes time frame, and then, or maybe 5 minutes time frame, and then you guys know what I'm trying to say. So on the 5 minutes time frame, I was pretty excited. It went up. I was like, oh my God, it's gonna hit my stop loss. It went down to my profit and losses, and then profit again. And then me being so stupid on the lower low, I took another short, but then it came right back up. So I waited and waited and waited, and I got a opportunity to close the position right here, even right here. But it came back so fast down and so fast up. Okay, it was literally just a minute. And right here, we're on the 1 minute time frame, and as you guys can see, 1 minute down, 1 minute down, and then came right back up. So this is a doji because it doesn't really want to come back down. And it was really crazy, but I wasn't really too emotional. So yeah. So right now I didn't set up a stop loss. I think I did remove the stop loss, but now I'm in a big trouble. I'm in negative 415 and 80 cents. I have to figure it out whether I just cut my losses like the next week on Monday. So then I will just lose $415, which doesn't really hurt that much too much. So this is my game plan for Monday. So if we are looking back to the 4 hour time frame, so I'm gonna grab this one for right now. So we do have a strong resistance level. The reason why is it came back down, it rejected pretty quickly, right? Boom. It came back down, we have a doji, it rejected, boom. It broke, and then it came back up. So now from the support level, now we are turning into a resistance level. Came back down, go up, rejected once, rejected twice, rejected 3 times, came back down. And now it wants to retest the resistance level one more time. Even I don't have a stop loss. So I hope that in the beginning of the Asia session, it comes up and then reject pretty quickly and come back down. If I go on the 1 hour time frame, so it's gonna play around, it comes up, do some liquidity grab, which I'm hoping for, comes back down, testing one more time, and then boom. And then boom. All right. So then either I can close my position on break even or negative 100 or $200, or I get into a profit. And so let's see. So guys, if you guys have any questions, please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And for those people who haven't seen my past videos on week 4, 3, 2, and 1, please watch it and then you guys will see what I'm trying to do because I want to be honest. I want to be real. I don't want to be like one of the gurus like just want to make money off just from selling products. And I'm taking my trading very seriously and I want to be successful. I want to be like one of the 1% traders. And as always, you execute, you gain, you succeed. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.